Of course we can do that.
So you plan on...
Well,
Oh. You see, for now, Trevor, you're just donating money to a child, not being a father.
so what happens if Mo had him come spend some time with me after the surgery?
That will never happen, Trevor. My son stays with me, especially after this surgery. Who is going to take care of him? Camille?
Well, me not expect you to send him come right after the surgery, but when him better.
I'll think about it.
So, how things are going with you?
I'm great.
You look great.
I know.
What's it? The little man where you did attack to him, before, where you said it about university. You still in your life?
You mean after getting pregnant for another man and telling him that it's over? Remember the stories that you gave me about telling me that we were going to settle down together? We even spoke about marriage, and I believe you.
Patsy.
By the way, I have a son for you, alright? What's my last name?
Hey, Patsy, what kind of foolishness that you come ask me? What you mean, what's your surname? I know your surname. Your surname, Wait. What? Patsy, me know it, you know. Me know it.
It's okay, Trevor. Well, Trevor Sullivan, your son Troy Sullivan, is at Children's. You can go and give the blood on Wednesday.
I know her last name, man. Start with W and a P.
Trevor, it's Sanders.
Yes, man, you're right. Me know Sanders, you know. Patsy Sanders.
You're hopeless. It's Patrice Sanders.
They know the same thing. Patsy, Patrice. You pay for this?